It's a parrot. Put your finger in there, AJ.
My roommate got one of those hairy.
Talk to it.
Hello.
Holly, want a cracker? Can you say cool?
Hello.
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 You're like, nah.
Well, did you bring anything to eat? Then
If we ain't about that. We about snacks though. But if you ain't got none of those, y'all could just keep moving on.
Yeah. There's not much to talk about right now.
These are cool because you could go into here
And enter
and
to.
there's lots of cool birds in there.
Oh, that's the birdhouse.
Yep. But we got 5 minutes. I haven't heard them press us, so I think maybe they just close it for.
Yeah.
And then any of the overflow after probably leaves. So we probably
Oh,
put the time
okay.
on.
Yeah,
You
it's,
wanna go in there?
there's a bird net.
Maybe. Sure. Why not?
Sure, let's do it. Because the worst thing that can happen is they close it.
They can just lock us out, right?
I'm sure they'll probably make an announcement.
Probably. I think they close at 4 and they expect everybody around 5 plus a little bit before it gets dark.
Right.
I don't think they press people.
Oh, exit is that way.
They just close the. I should probably leave this closed here. Alright, we go.
Oh.
Look at. He touched one. That's wild to me.
Yeah, I'll start this direction.
Yeah, this isn't the only bird cage there is either. Look at that thing. What is that, AJ? Look at how pretty that is. Right?
I should have brought some snacks.
Yeah, that one's pretty tame. Yeah.
Yeah, that one is asking for some snacks.
Can you touch him?
Well, it will come and touch you. You don't have to touch him. Well, it will just come to you because they're asking for food, right? It came to me.
What are they?
Yeah, what are they? It's just,
They're birds.
oh, okay. That sums it up.
Yeah. Is that a magpie?
Where? Oh, that one over there?
That looks like a magpie almost.
Oh, I'm wasting all that.
Magpies are some of the smartest birds in the world.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Is it a boykin chicken? Oh, they're cute. Look at them. They have big long beaks. Can we go this way?
Look at that bird. Mom, look at that little white bird.
Oh, look at this guy over in the corner there.
Yeah.